Hello everyone, today we're diving into the Moto Men's Head Shaving Starter Kit, a game changer for those seeking a smooth, effortless shave. This kit includes the innovative Moto razor, an HB4 refill kit, and an 8-ounce bottle of HeadSlick Shave Cream, all designed to elevate your shaving experience. The Moto razor features dual-axis suspension, allowing it to roll into turns and hug the shaving surface, ensuring a close and comfortable shave. Its narrow body makes maneuvering around the ears a breeze, while the sleek design offers an easy grip for face shaving. The newly designed finger ring is larger, softer, and more pliant, providing an easier grip for enhanced control. Together, the finger ring, narrow body, dual-axis suspension, and ball work in harmony to deliver a clean, safe, and efficient shaving experience. Say goodbye to nicks and cuts and hello to a smoother shave with the Moto Men's Head Shaving Starter Kit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.